Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the predefined automate scripts on Microsoft Excel. Sometimes people would like to use the Excel function very faster. For example, remove the hyperlink and remove the duplicate data. In this situation, how they can do this? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my Excel list, I have a name and email column, but in the name, I have a duplicate data. For example, the Josina, John Smith, and the Mark. The three duplicate data. So I would like to remove this for very faster. So we have to use the automate function. So the automate tab will be available on the tab bar. If not available, you have to right click on the home tab and click on the customize ribbon. Here you have to select the automate. Then click OK. Now the automate tab has been enabled. Here you have to click on the all scripts. It will be open the code editor window. Then you have to move for the samples. Here a lot of automated scripts available. You can use as you need. So first I would like to remove the hyperlink for this email. So just I run the script. It will be removed for the entire hyperlinks. Next, I would like to remove the duplicate data. So I have to select the entire table. Then I have to click on the remove duplicate. So we have to run the scripts. That's it. It will be removed that. So in this way, you can use the predefined scripts by using Microsoft Excel automate function. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.